Assalamu alaikum children. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, ya salatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Today, let's learn about comparing Indian and international system of numeration. Clear? Yes. Let's study the common difference. Okay, the difference between Indian system and international system are the periods are named as ones, thousands, lakhs, crores, etc. In Indian system, isn't it? In international system, the periods are named as ones, thousands, millions, etc. Isn't it? Yes. We all know that. Yes. Next, one's period has 3 digits whereas all the other periods have 2 digits. In Indian system, in international system, all the periods have 3 digits. In international system, yes, we know about the families, isn't it? Yes. Next, starting from the extreme right, we put commas after 3rd, 5th and 7th digits in Indian system. In international system, we put commas after 3rd, 6th and 9th. Now, let's see some examples. 1 lakh in Indian system becomes 100,000 in international system. 10 lakh becomes 1 million. 1 crore in Indian system becomes 10 million in international system. 10 crore in Indian system becomes 100 million in international system of numeration. Now, let us understand this comparison by number names. For example, let us take 733. 5462. When we write number names in Indian system, first we need to make sure we put commas at the right place. First we will put comma after ones family, then comes thousands family, they are 2 members. Then comes lakhs family, they are also 2 members. Yes. Now let's read the number name. It is 73 lakh 35,462. You are all very familiar with this, isn't it? Yes. Now let's see the international system. International system also we have to mark the commas in the right place. Yes, first the ones family, then the thousands family. There are 3 of them. And millions family. Millions family usually we have 3 of them, but here we have only 1. So we have marked the commas. Now let's read the number name. It is 7,335,462. It is clear for you all, isn't it? Yes. Now let's discuss the textbook activity. Children, what you have to do is you need to go through all the videos that I have sent you if you have any doubt regarding completing this activity. Clear? Yes. Now in page number 11, you have the first question. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks is easy for you all, isn't it? You need to convert from Indian system to international system and international system to Indian system. Next, write the numerals for the following number names. A, 1 less than 10 million. So, 1 less than 10 million is 999,999. You should write it in numeral, okay, in number, in figures only you have to write. And do the rest of the thing. B, C and D. Now, third question. Place commas to separate the periods according to international system and also write the corresponding number names. That means you need to first mark the numbers according to international system. You all know how to mark 3, 3, 3, isn't it? Yes. Then what you have to do after marking? You need to write their number names. See children, the fill in the blanks you can write in the textbook. Rest you have to write in the notebook only. Now question number 4. Write the numerals for the following by placing commas. Children, what you have to do is you need to write the number 65 million, but you should make sure that you put commas. Clear? 7 million, 332,000, 764. Clear? Yes. Do the rest of the things. Next, In page number 12, let's see the fifth question. Write the given numbers and their number names in both Indian and international system of numeration. This is clear to you, isn't it? First, you need to write the question. Under that, you have to write Indian system and mark its comma and then write its number name. Then international system. Under that, you have to write international system. Mark the commas and write its number name. It is that simple. Next, sixth question. Write the numeral and number name for the following in international system of numeration. I think you should skip. This is not needed. This you can skip. Now, seventh question. Write the corresponding numerals for the following. What you have to do is you need to write the numeral. Number name has given. You have to write the numeral. Clear? You should make sure you put commas. Fine. Now, let's study about comparison of numbers. You all know to compare the number, isn't it? Yes, let's see how to compare the numbers. For example, let's compare 8499399 and 18414288. Okay. First, when you are comparing, it's important to check the number of digits. Clear? Yes. Here, the first number includes 7 digits and the second number includes 8 digits. It is very clear that 8 digit is greater than 7 digit, isn't it? So, 84,99,399 is smaller than 1,84,14,288, isn't it? Yes. Now, in case if the number of digits are same, what we should do? Let's see it with an example. Yes, the example is 84,99,399 and 77,49,334. Clear? Okay, here the numbers of digits are same, isn't it? There are 7 digits each. So, we cannot compare it on basis of number of digits. So, what we should do is, we should take the first digit. The first digit of the first number is 8, isn't it? And the first digit of the second number is 7, isn't it? Yes. And we all know that 8 is greater than 7, isn't it? Yes. So, on that basis, on the basis of first digit, 84,99,399 is greater than 77,49,334. So, my children, I hope everything is clear for you all. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.